Hi everyone, this is Lydia, and on this channel we talk about how to grow your online business with social media marketing strategies and how to make money online even with a small audience. If you're interested in this type of content, don't forget to subscribe before you leave and press the bell to be notified when I upload. So in today's video, we're going to talk about email marketing with a Squarespace website specifically because I have made this video about how to send a freebie in Mailerlite with your WordPress website before, but a lot of people were asking me, how do you do this on a Squarespace website? And this is exactly what I'm going to show you in today's video. So you may wonder, what is a freebie? A freebie is something that offers value to your audience that you can give to them for free in order for them to subscribe to your email list. I have this video right here about 10 ideas of freebies you can send to your email list that will convince them to subscribe to your email list and stay subscribed. So make sure to check out that video after this one if you're not really sure what freebie you want to offer to your audience. I create all my freebies in Canva. You can give out freebies in JPEG format or PDF. I usually use the PDF, and I create something such as a workbook or an ebook to give out my audience. Now, after you create the PDF file in Canva that you want to give your audience once they subscribe to your email list, you must first upload that file on the internet for people to be able to access it after they confirm their subscription to your email list. So how do you do this with Squarespace? The first step for you to do after creating the freebie is downloading it into your computer. And now we must upload it into Squarespace so we can get the link for it and include it in the form we will create in Mailerlite or any other email marketing app you decide to use. In Squarespace, to do this, you must first go edit the website in any way that you want. You have to go somewhere where you have a text, click on adding a link to it. This is the method I used. And then go to File and upload your PDF file right there. Then you can click Open in New Window. After saving, click on the link to open that PDF in a new window. And there you go. That above is the link that you will use in Mailerlite to lead people to that specific freebie after they confirm their subscription to your email list. Now, in order to give out that freebie to your audience, you must create the form in Mailerlite. So to do that, go to Mailerlite, Forms, Create Embedded Form. When creating that specific form, you also have the option of choosing in which subscribers group your audience will be added when they sign up for that specific freebie. So make sure to do that setting as well. And design your form the way you want it for people to be able to sign up with their email and get that freebie. If you want to add that specific form for people to sign up for that freebie in your homepage and you want it to be horizontal, make sure you add the design the same way, because once you create the form, you cannot change the shape of the form in your website. You must do that from Mailerlite right now. So for example, if you want to add that specific form for that freebie in your sidebar, make sure to go for a vertical form. For example, I want to create one that goes on my homepage after I've added a few blog posts or any other photos I wanted to add. So I'm gonna go for a horizontal one as long as possible, but I'm also going to want to show what the freebie is that they will get. So for example, let's pretend I'm giving out my Pinterest workbook for free. I'm going to write over there that if you want to get this workbook for free, sign up here for my email list. And then I also add a check for them to confirm that they want to receive updates from me. Design the form to your own branding and style for it to fit your website, because as I've said, you cannot change the design from the website, but you can always go back to Mailerlite to change the design and then put the code back there, as I will show you in a minute. The most important thing for you to do when creating this form in Mailerlite is to use the double opt-in feature. What that will do will allow your audience to confirm their subscription to your email list and then automatically send another email to them with the link to that freebie. So you want to go to double opt-in and design that specific page as well. That will be sent in an email, so it will not be displayed anywhere, so it can be either vertical or horizontal. After you design that to your own branding as well, make sure to go and add a button where they could get the freebie. For that, just go add a button, and then for the link, put the link to the exact PDF you got from Squarespace earlier. So get that link and add it there and click open in a new window if that is what you want. Then go and save. While you're setting up the form, make sure to also set up and design the confirm page. So when they receive the page to confirm their subscription, also make that to your own branding, so the whole form will be a lot more cohesive, not only the double opt-in page. After you save that, you will have the option of getting the HTML code to add to your website, and that specific form will be displayed on your website because of that HTML code. Now go ahead and copy the code, and I'm going to tell you a bunch of places you can add that specific code so for your form to be displayed on your website. The first way you can do that is by going to your website settings, advanced, and code injection. There, you'll be able to add an HTML code either in the header of your website or the footer. Personally, I don't recommend any of these options, but if you want to, there's an option for you to do that. So all you have to do is just add that specific HTML code you copied from Mailerlite and add it either in the header or the footer, and then press save. After that, make sure to go ahead to your website and see it in browser, and make sure to test the form so you can see if people will actually receive your freebie once they sign up to your email list. So this method will only add that code in the footer or the header of your website. If you're enjoying this so far, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the notifications bell to be notified when I upload. Now let's move on to method number 2, the one that I do recommend. To add it exactly where you want it, you can use the code block feature like so. When you go and edit that specific page, you can click Add New Block. After you add a new block, you will see that little kind of arrow, the black arrow, where you can go and click Add New Content Block. And from there, select Code. Make sure HTML is selected when you're including that code in that specific block. Now paste your code and click Apply. Click Done and check out your website to see if everything is looking right. You can also move that block where you included that form wherever you want to. So there you go, this is how you add an HTML code that will lead people to get your freebie in your website. Keep in mind you can add this in your sidebar anywhere you want on a Squarespace website. If you need someone to design your website exactly the way you want it, I have a lot of experience with this, so you might want to check out my web design services below. So let's work together and let me take care of designing your website, which is something that can be very time consuming and frustrating for many, but I can take care of it for you. So check out my rates and everything that I offer in the link below. So this is it. This was my video on how to send a freebie with Mailerlite on a Squarespace website, or how to implement email marketing in Squarespace. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment below if this video has been helpful for you, or any other videos that you want to see on this channel. Thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.